Hello everyone, welcome to ITeePK. Today we will learn how to deploy an MSI application via Microsoft Intune for Windows devices. There are multiple ways to deploy an application via Microsoft Intune for Windows devices. Today we will learn how to deploy an MSI application from Microsoft Intune. We will deploy this app by using the line of business app deployment method from Microsoft Intune. Line of business application deployment is the legacy application deployment method in Microsoft Intune. The line of business applications support single file formats such as MSI or MSIX or .appx, etc., which only support simple installation. An MSI with a transform file cannot be deployed using this method. In this video, we will learn to deploy Google Chrome to Windows devices that haven't installed any Google Chrome yet by using the line of business app deployment method. You have to sign in to Google Chrome by using Global Administrator account or using Intune Service Administrator account. To log in into Intune, please type the URL intune.microsoft.com and on the dashboard, please go to Apps. Once we are in Apps, we are going to deploy Windows app here, right? Google Chrome. Let's add the app. So here, let's select the app type, line of business app, and line of business app details. You can see all details here. And as I explained you, MSI, Apex, and Apex Bundle, and MSIX, we can deploy this type of app here for Windows. And Android and Mac and iOS are here. So you can go to learn more to learn more about it. Let's go to select. So now we are at the point where we have to select the app package file, right? That package file I have already downloaded to my Windows, right? Google Chrome package file, and this is the MSI file of Google Chrome that we will deploy from here, line of business app. And to confirm, I have gone to the properties and I have confirmed that this is MSI file of Google Chrome. For downloading Google Chrome MSI file, you have to go to chromenterprise.google.com/download. Once you come at this URL, you can click on download, and here you will get the option to select the MSI file. You can select the channel here and file type MSI here, and you can also select the architecture as it will be 32 or 64 bit. So I think this was also important to guide you to download this file as an MSI, right? And I will also paste this link in the video description so that you can get that link and you can download the file easily. Good. So now let's upload this MSI file package of Google Chrome to our Microsoft Intune. Let's go to download the file I have downloaded. Let's select that, and here we got all the information Google Chrome from Windows platform and size and everything here, right? Execution context per machine. Got it. Hit OK. That's great. Based on the file, we found out that some of the information are already filled in here. So Google Chrome, let's put here the version of Google Chrome, and in the description, I want to same Google Chrome and the version details. Publisher of Google Chrome is Google LLC. Ignore app variant. You can select here yes or no if you want to ignore app variant or don't ignore. We can optionally enter here any command line argument, right, that will apply when the Chrome application will run. Let's select the category of this app. Category will help us to sort this app in the company portal, right? Yeah, Intune company portal. So this could be the productivity, business, development, and design. Or we can say, let's say other, right? Or you can also say here productivity, both. If you wanna see this app in both locations. Show this as a feature app in company portal. Yeah, that's fine. And in the logo option, you can select the Google Chrome logo from here. Right, let me try to find the location of Google Chrome. Okay, here you go. Let me stop the video and I will find the logo and update it here. Then I will start video again. Let's make it simple. Go to internet, download Chrome logo. Here you go. Okay, I have downloaded the logo file on our desktop. Right, let me show you here. And that is this file here. I have downloaded this and I have uploaded that logo file into Microsoft Intune. And you can browse any website where you can find the logo of Google Chrome, or you can try to find it from Google Chrome installation files. But I have downloaded it from internet to save my time. It's okay. Right now we got Google Chrome logo here as well, and MSI file installation. MSI installation file is deployed. Hit next. Here we have options required, right, that will automatically install Google Chrome on target devices, user or a group, right, without their permission, or user will not be able to restrict or stop this installation. Available for enrolled device, the devices which are enrolled to company portal. You can also set this assignment, right, and user will have these apps available in company portal and they have option to install it or don't install it. And uninstallation, we don't want to uninstall this Google app MSI from users computers, so I want it here for all users, right? I can add here for all devices. I want it for everyone in our company. If you want, you can add a separate group here by going to groups, right? But I don't want a group. I want this Google Chrome MSI installation for everyone. Hit next. Now you can review all the settings here, right? What you want to deploy. So I'm good with all the setting and I'm going to hit create. It's saving the application. This could take few seconds, right? And this will also take some time to upload that Google Chrome MSI to Microsoft Intune. Here you can see your app is not ready yet. If app content is uploading, wait for it to finish. If app content is not uploading, try creating the app again. Got it. So now it's uploading our that MSI file. So once this gets uploaded, let me explain you a few other important things. Right. In the Windows app, let me refresh here. And here we can see the Google Chrome MSI that we have deployed. Let's go to properties. Here we have all the settings that we have set up here, and let me pause the video until it's uploading to Microsoft Intune. Okay guys, so Google Chrome MSI files has been uploaded successfully to Microsoft Intune portal. So I've seen here in the notification, and you can also see here that this file has been uploaded. So once Google Chrome MSI file has been uploaded, and this could take some time to deploy this Google Chrome MSI file across the devices, right? And once the devices get synced to Microsoft Intune, and they will get Google Chrome LLC onto their desktops as well as in the company portal, and Once any device will get installed, you will get those details here: device name, UPN, platform, and the user install status detail will be here, right? So let's conclude the video about deploying an MSI Windows file from Microsoft Intune. I've tried my best to show you the step-by-step and simple process of deploying an MSI of Google Chrome. So you could deploy any MSI file that is required by your organization by following the steps I've shown in this video. Thanks for watching, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe ITeePK. Bye.